Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new boat to the market, a 2022 Harris Sunliner 230 being offered with the trailer. All right, so 230 Sunliner. This one was ordered with all of our usual options that we do on this model. So really nice, nice boat at a really good price point because it's pre-owned. So pillow top interior, LED lighting in the speakers, under the seats, in the cup holder. So really well lit up. This one does have the raised helm on it. 9-inch Simrad. As you notice up front, it does have the bow filler seat. These are movable, so you can slide it and put it over there if you want. Most people do just end up keeping them right here. Deep in-floor ski locker, removable table here, and this is in our most popular floor plan, the SL. So on this, you can flip this seat this way if you want to face backwards, or fold it down flat to make a full sun pad. The other thing that's nice also is because this one does have the stern safety rail, it's legal to sit back here while the boat's underway. So just remember, there's safety rail on the back, not legal to sit back there. 12-foot bimini, so that bimini is going to shade from about right here all the way forward to here. So great shade back here in the back half of the boat. If people want to get some sun, they can go up front. Digital throttle. So no cable connecting your throttle to your engine, it's all done electronically. This boat is also a 225 horsepower with power assisted hydraulic steering, so super easy to drive, and Mercury active trim, which is automatic tilt and trim while underway. So really nice boat in great condition. If you'd like to talk about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd love to help you out.